EBL versus the Powerowl smart chargers. I'm Joost from Kits Toy Studio and I'm here with the EBL versus the Powerowl smart chargers. Now both of these are very similar in charging. I haven't detected any difference in charging speed between these two when I tested them. But of course the Powerowl is a lot smaller here and it uses a USB cable, where the EBL gives a cable with a power plug for the wall socket. So that can be an advantage or a disadvantage. This one you can plug into your computer as well. But for this one you need a separate USB charger to charge this in a wall outlet. Now both have 8 bays. So that's also similar, and they can charge AA and AAA NIM-H batteries, so that's the most effective rechargeable batteries right now. This Powerowl one is a lot smaller, so that's a big advantage here. This is a lot larger for the EBL because it has this additional large thing here, but you can also plug in your USB device to charge them as well. So you could technically charge this one by using this one in the wall outlet. I haven't used this function, the USB function, but it's a nice to have function if you want to use it. So I'd recommend this one if you just want a really small charger that you want to take along with you, and this one if you want a little bit more flexibility.